Good morning, class 7 students. In the previous class we will discuss the topic buccal cavity. Okay, in today's class we will discuss a new topic, food pipe or esophagus. So you have to open your NCERT page number 15, the food pipe and esophagus. The food pipe is also known as the esophagus. We will discuss before that. Okay, the swallowed food passes into the food pipe or esophagus. Swallowed means the bigger particles of the food, not the grinded particles of the food. Bigger particles of the food passes through the food pipe and goes to our stomach and the chest. So again, food is pushed down by movement of the walls of the food pipe. So the walls of the food pipe help the food to push downwards in the stomach, towards the stomach. Actually, this movement takes place throughout the alimentary canal and pushes the food downwards. So work of the alimentary canal is push food downwards towards the stomach. Okay, at times the food is not accepted by our stomach, is vomited out. Means when we overeat the food and our stomach is not accept the food, then we say that we overeat, or we overeaten the food, so the food is come out. Okay, recall the instances when you vomited after eating and think of the reason for it. When you overeat the food, then the food comes out in the form of vomiting. Okay, next topic is stomach. Okay, so working of the stomach and the functions of the stomach we will discuss in this topic. The stomach is a thick walled bag. Its shape is like flattened U and it is the widest part of the alimentary canal. It receives food from the food pipe at one end and opens into the small intestine at the another end. Means the stomach have the two ends. One end is the alimentary canal, one end opens in the alimentary canal for the intake of food, and the second one is open in the small intestine to taken out the food. Okay, the inner lining of the stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive juices. Means the inner lining of the stomach have the three type: mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive juice. So what are the function of hydrochloric acid? When we feel hungry, it is because of the hydrochloric acid. In our stomach the hydrochloric acid is present. So when we feel hungry, it is about the hydrochloric acid. If we feel hungry and we do not eat any type of food or anything, we do not eat the food, then the hydrochloric acid eaten our stomach walls, which is inner lining stomach. They eaten the stomach walls, and due to this we have many problems and we have the diseases of. Okay, the mucus protects the lining of the stomach. The mucus protects the lining of the stomach. The acid kills many bacteria that enter along with the food and makes the medium in the stomach acidic and helps the digestive juice to act. Means when we take the food, the acid eat the food and it and converted into digestive juice, which we digest it. The digestive juice break down the proteins into simple substances. Now after that the hydrochloric acid converted into the simpler substances or digestive juice. After that it converted into proteins, which are very useful for our body. Okay, in today's class we will discuss this much only. In the next class we will discuss the next topic, which is small intestine. Thank you, class.